100 clicks per day. This is something I'm doing because I signed up for ClickFunnels, and in the write-up I've given you the link for how to sign up for ClickFunnels. It's my affiliate link, so if you click on it and go sign up, I get credit for sending you. I don't even know what they give me. I'm sure they give me maybe a little thank you in the form of some money. But I'm asking you to do it because I've fallen hard and fast in love with this app. It's something I've been looking for many years. I've been on the receiving end of this kind of process where I've been clearly taken into a funnel, and I've always wanted to learn how to do it, just never knew where to go. But not long ago, I signed up for Mike Dillard's Self-Made Man course, which is now moving over to MikeDillard.com. And as part of that course, he sends us over to ClickFunnels to learn how to do this part. And when I signed up, I paid $47 for a webinar that Russell Brunson, the CEO of ClickFunnels, did. And what I'm giving you is a small excerpt out of that webinar because I wanted to, it just occurred to me that this would be a fun way for me to give back because people in the Facebook community, the official ClickFunnels Facebook group, have been very helpful to me already. I joined, I'm new, I've learned to ask for help. I went in there and I asked for help, and people not only responded but PM'd me, with offers to help me out. So that was great, and I mean free, offering to help me out just for free, just letting me, giving me helpful information. So this is my way of giving back and saying thank you. I hope it's seen that way for sure. But just real quick, what Russell teaches us, and again, you have to sign up and get the whole webinar because you're only getting a small piece and you don't have the whole context. But those of you who've signed up and done this certainly will. But we look at this that we can get 3,000 clicks per month pretty easily, which boils down to 100 clicks per day, hence the name. And on the typical experience, from what Russell says, we'll get 5% of those people converted into buyers. That's 150 monthly buyers that we can get. Okay, then over here we look at the business model we want to build. There's two sort of layers to this. We need a continuity program, which is some kind of a monthly subscription. And then we need a back end, which is the high-end, high value. It's where we ultimately want to take people up our value ladder, right? And so I've laid this out. Russell gave us the sketch in his webinar in a really cool visual, but I'm a linear-minded guy, and as soon as I saw it, I stopped. I've been taking notes, and I said, I need to lay this out in a way that makes sense to me. I'm an accountant. I love numbers. I love spreadsheets. And so here's my spreadsheet version of what Russell teaches us, and I'm hoping you'll all find it helpful because it just makes it easy to drop the numbers in. And of course, the spreadsheet does the math for you. So Russell talks about how 20,000 a month is a good goal. A lot of people can live very well on that, except that I live in Los Angeles, so my goal is a little higher. But as you can see right away now, it starts to do the math for me. My program also is $97 a month, so that means I need to get about 515 customers, right? 516, let's just call it. And then for this, at $5,000 a month, this is a Mosaic course series that I'm in the process of building. Actually, it's not available yet. But my plan is to charge. My plan is to get an average revenue of $5,000 per customer on this. Based on two different courses so far that I'm developing. In order to reach this goal, I need 10 people per month. So how do we do this? Well, roughly, if this is saying 150, let's just say I can do a little better than expected. I just need to talk to 200 people. I need to reach 200 people, assuming a close rate of 25%, and I can get 50 new monthly customers in my continuity program. At that rate, it's going to take about 10 months to build up to, let's just call it 500. Right? And then on the back end, I need 20 applicants or 20 people to talk to. Assuming I'm a terrible salesman, the way Russell puts it, I should be able to close 10% of those and get 2 per month. At that rate, it's going to take 5 months to build this. So it's just a simple sketch, like I said, showing you how you can lay out the numbers and set your own goals based on your own business, and then just come in here and just change it from my programs to whatever you're offering for each of your two layers, so to speak. That's it. So I'm going to offer this template only to people who are members of the ClickFunnels official Facebook group. I'll provide the link whenever I post this in there. If you're watching this elsewhere, like on my blog or on my YouTube channel, you'll find a link where you can go join ClickFunnels, and then you'll get into the Facebook group, and you can get access to this template too. And when you get it, just click File, and then you can either click Make a Copy. That will create your own copy in Google Drive, or you can download it as an Excel file or any of these other formats. I don't know why you would use any of the others, though. The point is to have the spreadsheet format so you can go in and tweak the numbers according to how you want to build your business. That's it. I hope you had some fun here and learned something along the way. I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you in the ClickFunnels official group on Facebook.